gonna make a video.
Watch me press the button.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I want to go over something with you guys that are decorating for Halloween.
Halloween eye.
That enjoy skeletons, but may come in contact with one slight problem.
Halloween eye. Hi.
Photobombed by a baby.
Let's again.
If you notice when you first...
Let's again.
If you
Karen.
If you notice when you first buy these...
You press this button, then it turns right on.
That's not what I was going to say, but thank you for pointing that out. This one from Home Depot, you can actually press the button and his eyes light up. But we're not worried.
His mouth says...
Can I do my video? Can I do my video?
Just press the button.
I know you pressed the button. That's not what we're talking about.
You just turned his eye on.
That's not what I'm talking about.
Karen.
Okay, so anyway, what I was trying to say before I was rudely interrupted, the biggest problem that you'll run into is that the fact that his hands are like this. So if you need him in like a climbing position where his hands are out this way, I'll show you a photo of what I'm actually doing with our house.
You press the button.
We know!
You press the button. You press the button. Press the button.
If I press the button, will you stop?
Okay.
I pressed the button!
I press the button.
Okay, I'll tell you what, we'll leave his eyes on. How's that sound?
Turn his eye on.
Now his eyes are on.
Karen. Let's turn his eye off. Okay?
Be warned.
Turn his eye off. Off. Then turn off.
So I'm going to show you guys exactly how it is that you would fix that, so that way you can change his hand position without actually... And I'm going to show you guys how it is that you can change the hand position without the worry of breaking him. What are you saying?
I'm telling.
You're telling what?
I'm telling.
What?
I'm telling.
What are you telling?
I have an I'm telling. I made my red.
So do you want to tell me about your friend here?
Yes.
Okay, what can you tell me about your friend?
I'm going.
Don't step on him.
Ow.
What can you tell me about your friend? Tell me about his eyes.
Let me turn his eye off. Let me turn his eye off. Okay? Off. Let me turn his eye off. On. Turn. Whoa. I'm going to turn his eye off. Okay? Whoa! That's awesome!
As you got SpaghettiOs all over your face.
No.
That SpaghettiOs all over your face.
The eye, Karen.
Do you like your skeleton?
Yes. He's my favorite.
He's your favorite. Out of everything we bought this year.
You put his eye on.
Out of everything we bought this year.
Again. Ow.
Out of everything we bought this year, that's your favorite.
This is.
Of course, the cheapest thing we got is your favorite.
You press his button, then his eye turn red.
Yeah, what else does he do?
I turn. Let me show you. He turn off.
You still got SpaghettiOs on your face.
This way? This way?
All over your face.
And this?
Not on your eyes, on your lips.
Ah! It fell down! Ow, I fell down again. And my favorite, he needs to die again. And doing the ice challenge. Eye challenge. You just put him up, then you pin him down.
I think you're choking him.
You pin him up and down.
Why were you just choking him?
I'm not.
You just had your hands around his neck. You were choking him.
Hello. Turn it this way.
Turn what this way?
Yeah.
The camera?
Yeah.
You want to see yourself?
Yes. His gallery. Him doing a market tower.
Can I finish my video now?
Yes.
Okay, can I have the skeleton, please?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Ow! Ow! Ow!
You just totally hit your head off the wall.
Ow! He should no, turning his eye off.
Okay, can I finish my video now?
Yes.
Okay, can you put him back?
Yes.
Okay, I'm pretty sure you're gonna interrupt me more.
Hey, Alan.
Hi.
Ah! Don't fall down. Him doing the market tower.
Okay, I'm gonna continue with my video now.
Okay. Come here, Alan.
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed our literally little interruption there. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is, obviously, after you buy him, cut off all the straps.
And just turn his eye red. That should be green. And that. Then this. Then this.
Okay, watch out.
I don't want him to fall.
He won't fall.
Whoa, his head bigger. Whoa. And then his foot.
All right, so after we're done cutting off all the zip ties, we're gonna go to the back of the head here and simply
And then
pull
foot.
to disconnect the Try Me button.
And then his eye red.
Now we can actually set him into a position that's a little more comfortable to work with.
And then his head.
Now, the one cool thing about the Home Depot skeleton is it actually has a ball joint up here for the arm, so you can maneuver it
Hey,
this way rather than just the up and down.
This. A market tower. And turn his hand this way, and this, and this, and this.
The apocalypse.